9 actual passive income ideas for 2022 start today. We composed a list of actual passive income ideas that you can start growing today. We didn't include any stocks, dividends, or anything of that sort. This list contains real ideas that you can start doing right after you read this article. Number 1. Rent out your room. You could turn your cute apartment, separate property, or spare room into a makeshift Airbnb, even if you only have one property. Renting it out for a few nights a month can really help with some of your expenses. You might be able to stay at friends' houses or with family members while the place is being rented out. You can also still live in the same space, but just rent out the spare bedroom. Number 2. Rent out your car. If you like renting out a room or your home on Airbnb, Turo is that but for cars. With Turo, both hosts and renters can log in to find cars available for rent. If you're hosting, you can advertise availability of your vehicle on the site's calendar and prices. You'll then be matched with potential renters that are interested. The platform also offers up to $1 million worth of liability insurance for both renters and hosts. Turo is a company that offers you up to 85% of the trip price for your car rental. It's an easy way to make rental costs easier on your wallet. Number 3. Write a book. If you're an educated or creative person, it's probably safe to say that a book is a bit of a passion project for you. To use books for generating passive income, you'll need to do a lot. There are specific skills that are needed, not just the ability to write the book. Promotion is also important, which you may need help with when starting out. The most common practice is to query agents for representation. Self-publishing isn't the best option if you want to make a strictly passive income, although it has its perks such as higher profit margins and more opportunity. If you want to be successful at this, publishing requires a lot of dedication and patience, while still trying your best to figure out effective marketing strategies that won't drain your bank account. Number 4. Rent out your pool. Pools are good, but they can also be bad. There's a lot of upkeep, so if you're not using it often, you might want to reconsider rent out your pool. That's the idea behind Swimply. Hosts can advertise their pools by creating listings with pictures and amenities. For example, if they have a hot tub or pool toys. Hosts can also list when they are open for use by posting availability dates. Swimply takes 15% from all rentals, so if someone rents your pool for 2 hours at the price of $50 per hour, Swimply takes $15 and you get $85. Number 5. Rent out your garage or basement as storage. If you have the space available, you could set up a storage rental for people looking to store things they don't need or use on a regular basis. Sites like Neighbor will help you find someone interested in renting your space and make the transaction for you. With storage needs growing for everyday people, this makes it one of the most viable passive income ideas for 2022. Number 6. Purchase vending machines. Surprisingly, purchasing vending machines is fairly easy. You can start off with one vending machine and stock it from your local bulk store. Then, you'll have to go around local places and ask if you could place your vending machine there. Of course, nothing will come easily, so you'll have to work hard to get this going. This is a great way to earn passive income while you sleep. Number 7. Rent out your textbooks. Textbooks are expensive and many students have been renting them instead of purchasing them. This new approach makes a lot of sense as you only need the book for a few months and is a costly book, so why buy it? If you have already bought them in the past, you can easily resell them to make some passive income. That's because there are companies like Valor Books which will facilitate this so you don't have to spend any time on it. Number 8. Start a YouTube channel. Making money on YouTube can be a great way to generate revenue. After you've got your first audience, you can make advertising income, affiliate income, create sponsored content, and even sell branded merchandise as part of partnership agreements. But even new YouTubers can start a channel and begin to make money. This might be one of the hardest ones, but it could be the one that pays off the most as one of the best side hustles to make money. Number 9. Start a blog or website. Blogging is a great job for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and even corporate employees who don't mind working from their computers. You can work whenever you want, Monetize your blog in whatever way suits you best, and blog about whatever topics make sense for your audience. We recommend starting a website or blog on topics that you're knowledgeable in and topics that interest other people. If you're feeling overwhelmed at the prospect of setting everything up yourself, take a look at YouTube to get started. The conclusion. Everything on this list can be applied today. We highly recommend doing every single one of these because they're extremely powerful passive income ideas for 2022. If you want other side hustle ideas, please visit our website at wallethustler.com. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.